Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, this is going to be my runway. And you may be asking, runway for what, girl? What the frick? That's because I'm going to be recreating Pinterest worthy outfits and I'm super excited for that. I need to look cute. It's been a while since I've actually dressed up or like decked up to look cute. And I feel like what better way to do that than recreating Pinterest outfits. Unko bas chhap ke banana hai. But the only difference is I have to look through my closet and find an outfit because whatever's in my closet has to be turned into something that's Pinterest worthy. So let's do that. Okay, so fit number one that I've picked is this one. My screen mein dal rahi hu. There they've done like a lot of layering, which I love. Like they've put like a white top under, uske upar they put like a white cardigan shirt type thing, a leather jacket, a skirt. So we're gonna be figuring that out. हम कुछ जुगाड़ करेंगे and we're gonna create exactly that. So let's do it. Okay, so अगर आप, if you notice this, please ignore that. My tripod quite literally is these two chairs on top of each other and my Dyson, so I can keep my camera on top or height mile. And right now I felt like sitting because that's so much easier. I went through like my closet and I found a couple things that might match like the vibe of the first fit. For the inner wear, I was thinking I'll wear this white top. ठीक, उसके ऊपर हम layer करेंगे हम layer करने वाले हैं like this white t-shirt that I think I cropped or got cropped or I don't know where these things are from, but there's this white shirt that will go on top and it will be finally like layered with this leather jacket which I basically wear all the time, but can you blame me? It's perfect. I love it. And this tiny micro mini skirt. Now why do I have a skirt this short? I am 5'6" and a half. What the hell am I doing with a skirt this short? I don't know. She is a micro skirt and she's really cute. Honestly, I love it. The next thing I have is my thigh-high boots, but that I will mix with my socks, which are dirty, but that's okay. I will be layering my socks under my thigh-high boots. So let's quickly wear it together. For starters, this is like the base outfit, the top and the skirt, which like I said is very short. We have button-up like cropped shirt that we're going to layer on top of it. So let's do that. I think ये बहुत cute है. I love that. Next is my leather jacket, which is to die for. I could wear it with honestly anything. I love leather jacket. Definitely making the outfit. I love it. This is a little Pinterest girly outfit, but obviously हम shoes तो भूल नहीं सकते. The angle थोड़ा low, so I can show it to you. But I hope I'm not flashing. But these socks are dirty as hell because I was doing this music video type thing, और उसके लिए मुझे पहनना पड़ा. But I'm wearing it on top of my socks. I've officially lost it. Honestly, this made little to no difference, but I am honestly obsessed with this outfit. It is so cute. I will do like a runway type of dress to impress wala walk and you guys let me know what you think. Outfit number one is over. Let's move on to the next fit. मुझे इसमें इतना गर्मी लग रही है. You guys have zero idea. Like this fit look wise looks great, but in Indian weather it is so bad. मैं घर पे बैठी हूँ and I'm literally dying of heat, which is brilliant. For the next part, it is a relatively chill type of look. This is a look that I was going for, kind of, where she wears like this nice deep neck type of top, like a tie-up top, and like parachute cargo pants with glasses. So I could either put my hair up and put glasses on it or something like that. हम figure out करेंगे. So let's do that. I have my parachute pants. This I got from New Me. I'm pretty sure this is from Zara. I'm not sure. Tie-up wala top. I have my pasties, which you guys don't need to see obviously, and some sunnies. So I will quickly wear that and hopefully it will not look horrible. This is outfit number 2. It is again a very Emily Ratajkowski. I don't think I'm pronouncing her name correctly. Yeah, so it is that type of fit, Emily or like Madison Beer-esque, and I wore these glasses. My hair is up a little. The back is showing and I have parachute pants. Honestly, this is a very comfortable fit. मुझे गर्मी नहीं लग रही है. It's amazing. I love it. So this is my outfit number 2. Let me know what you guys think. it's time for the final outfit. It is also, I would say it's very cutesy, very demure, very mindful if you will. It is simple yet cute. Like it has like those boleros that a lot of people are wearing these days, and I think that adds so much element and value to the outfit. So we're gonna be doing that. I'll show you the inspo sort of. This is low-key the inspo that I'm going for. It'll also be here, but yeah, basically this only. So yeah, let's try recreating that. Let me know if you guys think this is a Pinterest worthy outfit, or out of the 3 outfits which you think is the most Pinterest worthy outfit. Comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this and loved the outfits that I made or are enjoying my videos.